I am going to open this one, and then I am going to show you how you are going to use this. So first is I'm just going to open the back area. So something is written here. I don't know if you can see that, but if you, well, that's very clear already there. You can see that there. So I'm just going to read it aloud. So what does your long-term average mean? So if 150 plus, you need to contact a professional and keep monitoring. If it's 100 and 150, just ventilate and monitor. Then if it's 0 to 99, continue to monitor. So first results in 24 hours, long-term average after 7 days. Radon fluctuates greatly, monitor daily, and then learn more at airthings.com. So Airthings, that's the company or the brand of this one, of this radon detector. And then the model of this one is Corentium Home. So this is exactly the one that I found in Amazon, and it's made in Oslo, Norway. So the default here is it doesn't have the batteries here, so I'm going to put the batteries here. Here we go. One, two, and three. So just in case, maybe if the battery is already low, you might want to replace it by yourself. Batteries are just so cheap, I'm pretty sure. So it's already started to function now. This is already turned on, so if you can see it there, there is long-term average and then short-term average. You just need to put it somewhere where you want the radon to be detected. So you could just put it on top of a table, and then you could also mount it, but they don't have any mounting devices here, so I suggest that you just have to put it on top of your table. Oh, okay. Unfortunately, I think this device here doesn't connect to the phone, so it doesn't have the capacity to be connected to the phone. So what you're going to do is just you have to monitor it by yourself, and then you cannot monitor it through your phone. So I apologize for that. I didn't do much of my research, but I guess this is how you are going to do. But definitely, I am going to share with you a video about the other device that we bought, which you could use the mobile application. That one is a more sophisticated one. There is a more advanced and a more expensive device, but we didn't buy that because it would monitor your air quality. I really like that, but it's just that um, the budget is just within the maximum budget is just within the humidity and then temperature monitoring. So what I'm gonna do right now is we are just going to put this somewhere, and just gonna tell you we live in a condominium, so we are at the top floor. So of course, you don't take any for granted of your location. So even though if you are at the top floor, or even if you are not at the ground, just be sure to monitor for any radon also.